Okay, let's go ahead and get started with Photoshop. We're going to start our journey by using the tutorials found in the software Photoshop. So when you open up Photoshop, go to the left side here and click on Learn. Should take you to this page. We're going to start with the Get to Know Photoshop tutorial. It's about a 21-minute tutorial. Since it's our first one, it may take a little bit longer, but click on that. It'll open up Photoshop in addition to this other window here where your tutorial will take place. So you can make it a little bit bigger if you want and then move it around as you're working on things. The first thing you're going to want to do though is to click on Get Files. There's certain files that we'll be working with. So click on that. It'll open up a new browser and download it down here in the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. That will unzip that file and make it ready to use. And take notice, it'll say Basic Fundamentals. It won't have a 4 because I've done this multiple times. And just go ahead and close the Finder window, minimize your browser, and go back to the tutorial here. From there, you're just going to follow each of these steps. So you're first going to learn how to open up images. You're going to watch the video here, click play. Please make sure that you're using headphones in a classroom setting. Otherwise, click on, well, I think closed captioning opens by default, but make sure you turn the volume off, mute it, so that you're not disturbing those around you. But you'll go through each of those, follow these steps. It'll tell you what to do, how to do it. Make sure to actually go up and click on them. Don't click the links here. Get in the habit and practice of where to go within Photoshop. Then you're going to get familiar with the work area. Again, you're going to watch the video, and these are some things that you're going to learn about the menu bar, options bar, tool panels, other types of panels within here, how to close images, things like that. Third one is learn how to pan and zoom and so on. For this particular project, you're going to be submitting after you learn how to save your work here. You're going to turn in a saved Photoshop file, so PSD, and also a JPEG.jpg into Canvas. So make sure you do that. But go through this at your own pace. Take notes in your notebook so you can refer to those. Again, it gives you both Windows and Mac controls. We're on Mac, so you're going to be using the command button for most of these things as far as shortcuts go. So hopefully that helps. Again, make sure that you save your files to Canvas and submit them when you're done, and ask if you have any questions.